Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm just going to be doing some flatland. I'm going to go to one of my favorite spots at Keener Plaza, learn some tricks or relearn some tricks really. I'm going to be working on frontside flips and other variations of flip tricks that require like 180s and maybe even 360s. I just haven't been really doing many tricks lately outside of my comfort zone. It's been mostly just stuff that I'm more used to doing and stuff that I know how to do. I'm going to be working on those fringe tricks that I don't do very often. And we're going to see if I can nail anything new. It's a pretty beautiful day out today. Just came back from the gym. Decided to come out and do a bit of skating. So we'll see what we can do. Maybe I might even get a good line here. Who knows? Yeah, I'm going to park here and we're going to do some skating, mostly flatland today. Well, that's all I do really is flatland. This is usually a really good place to do some flat. No one comes in and fucks with you. Security is cool. That's really nice out. It's about 80 degrees right now. It's not even that late in the day. Oh yeah, it's only 10:30 in the morning. So it'll probably get hotter later. I still got my car key with me. Well, I guess I got 2 keys now. Car key and motorcycle key. I hate it when I do that. I hate carrying anything I don't need. Like, this is just extra. I like being as light as possible. It's the best flatland spot in St. Louis, honestly. Whoppa! It's only good if you know how to skate, though. There we go. Woo. That was a very tail-heavy landing. I'm surprised the board didn't break. This is a double impact board, though, so it's pretty strong. It's got the carbon fiber plates on the what do you call it? The truck base, so it doesn't lose any pop, even if its nose and tail get shorter. Oh wow! I guess tray flips aren't in the inventory today. Holy shit, okay, they're really not. There we go. As sloppy as it may come. Jesus. I need to fix my front side rotation. I don't know when it happened, but when I do any sort of flip trick that's not a rotating flip trick, like a 180 or something, my shoulders seem to like shift a lot. I don't know when that started happening, but it's affecting me a lot. All right, let's go through what I like to call the Tony Hawk trick list. Here's where I do one trick in each direction of like a flip trick in Tony Hawk. I don't know if you guys remember, but you can press the B button for flip trick. It's for GameCube. And you could do up for impossible, down for pop shove it, left for kick flip, and right for heel flip. I mix it up a little bit like I do in the video game. Instead of impossible for front, I just do a front shove it. And then I do left to kick flip. And then right a heel flip. And down the regular pop shove it. And then I do the diagonals. And I never known how to do a hard flip, so I just kind of skip it. But I start with upper right, which is an inward heel flip, which I haven't done in a long time. Oh, meu Deus. Okay, this one might take me a few tries. I'm gonna do the other directions and then come back to that one. So varial flip, and then varial heel. Now let's do that one more time. Jesus, I got no control over it. Come on, you got this. Ah. It's not even close. Well, I need at least that one. I don't care about the hard flip. I just want the inward heel. There we go. So let's see if I can do all that in one, do those 3 tricks in one try. Oh, I put too much scoop into that one. It ended up going 360 flip. The varial kick flip is really sensitive. You need to give it practically no scoop in the pop shove it foot, or it'll just go out of control and do a tray flip. At least in my experience. Went too far again. There we go. That was a bit of an overspin, but I was able to catch it. Oh, I missed my flip entirely for the inward heel. That's insane. All right, I'm gonna come back to the diagonal tricks. My varial kick flip. Yeah, my varial kick flip and my inward heel flip are not good right now. Or to save energy and work on other tricks, I like to get away from something I can't nail. And that usually helps me nail it later. If you're fixated on one trick, you just kind of lose everything. So now we're gonna do double presses. Or we're doing those same tricks, but we're pressing B twice. So instead of a varial flip, it's a tray flip. Instead of a front shove, it's a 360 front shove, and so forward. So we'll start with the kick flips first, actually. Ooh, sloppy. There we go. Double flip. I had some really weird wobbles just now. There we go. Double heel flip. That was clean. Holy shit. Little tray flip action. Little laser flip action. Didn't work out. Let's try again. There we go. What else is there? I don't have 360 hard flips, obviously, and I never even tried 360 inward flips. Those are the only 2 tricks in diagonal, are the double press of the B button that I have. Oh, I didn't do shove its. Hold on, let's do that. I'm not sure how I nailed that. Ooh. There we go. Oh. I landed that perfectly. I just didn't expect to nail it. There we go. So I got those. Let's do some 180s. Backside 180. Front side 180. And then we'll add shove its and flips to the 180s. Oh. There we go. That was clean. Woo! First try front side flip. That was nice. Do some shove its. Nice. Oh, I haven't done a front side big spin in forever. We got this. Oh, that was it. There we go. Front side, big spin. And now, let's do heel flips. Whoa. See if I can do front side. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was it. I didn't expect to nail it, though. I think front side big spin heel flips are easier than front side heel flips. So I had to take a bit of a break after that one. It is really hot out here. I'm just not used to the heat right now. Give me a few more days in this heat and I'll be used to it. I'll be able to skate a little bit longer. I'll also be able to skate a bit longer if I just have people to skate with. Hype goes a long way for me. Feeding off of other people's energy and being able to give it back. And all that community and brotherhood and stuff, that's huge for me. But I just don't really have it here in St. Louis, unfortunately. Ooh, frontside heel flip, that's a weird one. It's one of those tricks where you have to be really lazy with your back foot. Instead of like pushing it through, you have to kind of just go around the trick. So it's a real lofty, weird feeling trick. There it is. A little sloppy. Try one more time. I want both feet on the board. Oh, that's better. Still a little bit of heel drag, but I did it twice in a row, so that's good enough for me. So I got 180 heel flips and both front and back side. Same thing with the kick flips. What else is there? I'm kind of blanking because I haven't skated in a while, and I know more tricks than that. Let's get back to the inward heel flip. Yeah, I'll try that one more time. Hey, what's up, dude? My favorite skater, Ryan. How you doing, dude?
Good. I don't know if I'm much of a skater today. I'm out here just to stay loose.
Yeah, nice.
How you been?
Pretty good. I'm doing a little trick series where I do all the tricks, all the directional tricks in Tony Hawk. I'm just doing all the tricks that all the directions have. So like if you press up B, it's like a impossible. Left is kick flip, right is heel flip, and just like so on and so on. I'm doing all the directions.
That'll be on one of your stories, I take it.
It's more of a long form thing. Yeah.
I want to share that with my son.
Yeah.
Because he played it. He didn't end up skating, but he was
Ah, damn.
the game.
Yeah.
Your videos too are very like video game like. I mean, it's like you're playing a first person, or you're watching a first person run.
Let's see. Oh, that's a 360 inward heel flip. What the hell? That thing flipped perfectly. I could have nailed that if I actually knew it was coming.
Oh,
there it is.
First try.
Oh my god. All right, I might come back to that. I had it really good at one point, and then I just kind of forgot about it, and now it's gone. It might be a multiple day project. Let's try other tricks though. You got that. All right, so I did double flips, double heel flips. Let's do double backside flips. Whoa, missed the catch slightly. Oh yeah, give that a few more tries. You got that.
Yeah.
Hey, there it was. Whew. Double backside flip. I wonder if I could do a front side double flip. I used to have those like maybe 5 years ago. See if I can nail one today. This might be the last trick too. Oh yeah. All right, last trick of this challenge. Well, my battery died before I could give an outro, but that's pretty much all I'm doing for today. I'll do a wheelie for an outro, I guess. Okay, maybe not. I suck at wheelies. I need to get a Grom. Yeah, I said I would do a wheelie for the outro, so here it is. Little baby wheelie. All right, see you next time.